Yeah, the total different way of masturbating. I mean, the biggest difference I would say is that before my masturbating was trying to get to orgasm as fast as possible, and that's also totally the other way around than what I do now. Because before I had to contract my body to get to that peak orgasm, and I was able to do that really fast, right? The way I masturbate now is I prepare at home, put some nice music on, put the heater up, put some candles, and I just start playing with myself in a totally relaxed way, and I don't want to go anywhere. I just enjoy my body and enjoy everything that's going through my body, all the nice little feelings, etc., etc. And I just do that as long as I feel like doing it. So that can be a half an hour, it can be an hour, it can be 10 minutes, but I don't have any goal anymore. So that's basically the biggest difference. Goal, no goal.
Being sexual, you don't have to be with someone else. So, I mean, I can masturbate and still feel like I've been having sex, you know, so that definitely works for the 21-day challenge as well.